School Science and Technology Interactive exhibits to the ability that we have in the sector of our showcase. Our centerpiece is our robotics program, which is now being offered to the Science High School graduates. Also, around our centerpiece are representatives from the 11 campuses of Philippine Science High School system, each of them showcasing a different field of science, particularly in math, biology, physics, and chemistry. We also have two exhibits from people who come from the main campus. The one in Detroit is showcasing the mixing of arts and mathematics, while the one from the main campus is showcasing artwork that involves biology.